Greetings, global explorers. This is Gibbon, your guide on this journey through our beautiful planet on Discover the World Together. Today, we're embarking on a unique adventure, peeling back the layers of time and culture to explore the top 5 places to visit in Pakistan in 2024. Here on our channel, we traverse the globe, unveiling the most intriguing and breathtaking destinations. Each journey is a new discovery as we delve into the history, culture, and natural beauty of our world. Pakistan is a land of diversity and contrast, a blend of ancient civilization and modern development, a country where every corner has a story to tell. In today's video, we'll be exploring the hidden gems of Pakistan, from the remnants of one of the world's oldest civilizations to the serene landscapes that will leave you in awe. So buckle up and prepare for a tour of the hidden gems of Pakistan. Our first stop is the ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro, a site that echoes with the whispers of a civilization long past. Settled around 2500 BC, Mohenjo-Daro, meaning Mound of the Dead, was one of the largest settlements of the Indus Valley civilization and one of the world's earliest major urban centers. An architectural marvel of its time, it was meticulously planned with a series of rectilinear buildings constructed of baked brick, along with a complex system of covered drains and wells. This city of antiquity was a thriving metropolis, complete with a marketplace, a large central public bath, residential districts, and even granaries. The people of Mohenjo-Daro exhibited a sophisticated sense of city planning and social organization that astonishes archaeologists to this day. It was discovered in the year 1922, buried under the sands of time, by R.D. Banerjee, an officer of the Archaeological Survey of India. Since then, several excavations have been carried out, revealing more about the city's intricate layout and its people's way of life. But the city still holds many secrets. The script found on many artifacts remains undeciphered, and we know little about the city's final days. Archaeologists believe that the city was gradually abandoned after the collapse of the Indus Valley civilization. However, the exact reasons are still shrouded in mystery. Mohenjo-Daro stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of our ancestors. It serves as a poignant reminder of the rise and fall of civilizations. It's a place that compels us to pause and reflect on our own place in the vast tapestry of human history. A walk through Mohenjo-Daro is like a walk back in time, a rare glimpse into a forgotten chapter of human history. Each stone, each structure, and each artifact whisper stories of a bygone era that continue to captivate the hearts and minds of history buffs and curious travelers alike. Next, we journey to the breathtaking Hunza Valley, a paradise nestled in the mountains. There's a certain magic to this place, where the air is pure, the people are warm, and the landscapes are nothing short of mesmerizing. The natural beauty of the Hunza Valley is truly unparalleled. Imagine being surrounded by majestic mountains, with their snow-capped peaks gleaming under the sun, and lush green fields stretching as far as the eye can see. The turquoise waters of the Hunza River meander through the valley, while blooming apricot trees add a splash of color to the scenery. It's no surprise that this place is often referred to as heaven on earth. One of the highlights of Hunza Valley is its people, the Hunzakuts. Known for their longevity and amicable nature, the Hunzakuts are more than happy to share their culture and stories with travelers. You'll find yourself captivated by their traditional music and dance, and their unique customs and traditions that have been preserved for centuries. But the Hunza Valley is not just about breathtaking vistas and cultural immersion. It is also a paradise for food lovers. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors, with specialties like chapchuro, a mouth-watering meat-filled bread, and harissa, a traditional wheat and meat dish. And don't forget to try the apricot cake, a local dessert that will leave you craving for more. For those with an adventurous streak, the Hunza Valley offers a plethora of outdoor activities. From hiking and mountain climbing to trout fishing and boating, there's something for everyone. Walk through the historic Altit and Baltit forts, or take a leisurely stroll around Atabad Lake. Every corner of this valley promises a new adventure. The Hunza Valley, with its stunning landscapes and warm hospitality, is a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. So, whether you're seeking tranquility amidst nature, a deep dive into an ancient culture, or an adrenaline rush, the Hunza Valley awaits to enchant you with its charm. We now find ourselves in the vibrant city of Lahore, a bustling metropolis that beautifully blends tradition and modernity. Lahore is a city that thrives on its rich cultural heritage. It's a place where centuries of history coexist with the bustle of a modern metropolis. The city is a living testament to the grandeur of the Mughal Empire, with architectural marvels that continue to inspire awe and admiration. From the Grand Badshahi Mosque, a testament to the Mughals' architectural prowess, to the Lahore Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that whispers tales of the city's glorious past, Lahore is steeped in history. But Lahore isn't just about the past. It's a city that's very much alive in the present. The sounds of hawkers calling out their wares, the vibrant colors of the textiles in the markets, and the tantalizing aromas wafting from food stalls create a sensory overload that is quintessentially Lahore. The city's bustling markets, such as the Anarkali Bazaar, are a treasure trove of traditional crafts, textiles, and jewelry. And then there's the food. Lahore's food scene is as diverse as its culture. From the traditional Lahori chana chat to the spicy taka tak, the food here is a gastronomic delight. The city is dotted with food stalls and eateries, each serving their own unique take on traditional Pakistani cuisine. Lahore's energy is infectious. It's a city that's always on the move, always changing, yet deeply rooted in its traditions. The people of Lahore are known for their hospitality and warmth, making the city feel welcoming and homely. They're a vibrant mix of people from diverse backgrounds, each contributing to the city's unique charm. But what makes Lahore truly special is its spirit. It's a city that has endured, a city that has grown, a city that has evolved. Yet it continues to retain its unique identity, its soul. It's a city that embraces its past, celebrates its present, and looks forward to its future with optimism. From its grand architecture to its lively streets, Lahore is a city that truly captures the spirit of Pakistan. Our journey concludes in the serene Swat Valley, often referred to as the Switzerland of the East. This gem of Pakistan is a place where nature flourishes in its full glory, creating a tranquil and picturesque landscape that is second to none. Nestled amidst towering mountains, Swat Valley boasts of emerald green meadows, crystal clear rivers, and lush forests. It's a sight to behold, a place where the beauty of nature seems to be painted with an artist's brush. The tranquility that pervades the air is almost tangible, making Swat Valley a haven for those seeking respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. But it's not just the breathtaking landscapes that make Swat Valley a must-visit destination. The region is also rich in history, with numerous archaeological sites bearing testimony to its ancient civilizations. From the remnants of the Buddhist era to the architectural marvels of the Islamic period, each historical site tells a fascinating tale of the region's past. Adding to the charm of Swat Valley are the unique traditions of its local people. Their culture is a beautiful mix of ancient customs and modern influences, creating a vibrant tapestry of life that is as captivating as the natural beauty surrounding them. The locals are known for their hospitality, welcoming visitors with open arms and warm smiles. The peaceful ambience of the region, coupled with its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage, makes Swat Valley a place that enchants and inspires. Whether you're exploring the historic sites, hiking through the lush forests, or simply soaking in the tranquil beauty of the landscapes, every moment spent in Swat Valley is a moment to cherish. As we end our journey through the magnificent landscapes and vibrant cultures of Pakistan, we leave with a sense of awe and admiration for the country's rich heritage and natural beauty. The memories we've created, the experiences we've shared, and the stories we've heard will stay with us long after we've bid farewell to this enchanting land. Swat Valley, with its tranquil beauty and rich cultural heritage, is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the wonders of Pakistan. And that, my friends, was a whirlwind tour of Pakistan's top 5 destinations. We've journeyed through the ancient city of Mohenjo-Daro, its archaeological wonders whispering tales of a civilization that once was. We've marveled at the breathtaking Hunza Valley, where nature unfolds its beauty in the most awe-inspiring ways. We've basked in the vibrant life of Lahore, a city that perfectly blends history, culture, and modernity. And we found serenity in the lush green landscapes of the Swat Valley, a sight to soothe the soul. Each of these places is a gem in its own right, offering unique experiences and a glimpse into the rich heritage of Pakistan. I encourage you all to venture out and explore these destinations for yourselves. So there you have it, the enchanting beauty and rich heritage of Pakistan waiting to be discovered. This is Jibon, signing off from Discover the World Together. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.